So back in the day, it was real easy to spend a life with little or no creativity. Life was simple. You could just follow orders, make your money, enjoy it in your little ways, and move on in life. But now, with time and evolution, the problems have become complicated, and we ought to become more creative. The questions that life asks out of all of us have changed. And if we are not creative, we will not find those answers. My name is Dimkrit Sethi, and I welcome you all to Lifestyle Within. On the 37th episode of Detox, we will be discussing 4 ways of enhancing your creativity and the 3 triggers to creativity. So keep watching. Roll credits. So we will start off with the 4 ways of enhancing your creativity and then move to the 3 triggers, because I believe just by taking your attention towards the 3 triggers, you will put yourself in the best place to enhance your creativity. The first way of enhancing your creativity is by treating creativity like a muscle. Just like you're born with some muscles, but they only get stronger if you practice them, practice your creative muscle daily. The second way of enhancing your creative muscle is just like your body needs good nutrition, your creativity needs good nutrition. So feed it good content, feed it good books, feed it good mentors. The third way to enhance your creativity is by simply giving yourself more space, by which I mean getting yourself off the network. Go off in the forest, spend some time with yourself so that you can naturally give yourself the fuel to be more creative. The fourth way of enhancing your creativity is to surprise yourself. Challenge yourself with something you think you cannot do. This will automatically set up your creativity to find solutions which are creative so that you can cope with the new challenges. So now we move on to the 3 triggers. As noticed, the 4 methods of enhancing your creativity are extrinsic, are outside you, but these 3 triggers are within you. These are questions that you have to ask yourself. These are reasons that you have to find within. And by asking yourself these questions, you take attention to them, and your body, mind, and soul starts working towards it. Your consciousness finds better answers than your logic does. So you take your attention towards these 3 triggers and notice the difference it makes in your creativity. So the first and the most obvious trigger is the strength of your why. The goal that you're chasing, the worthy ideal that you're chasing, how badly do you want it? Because if you want it badly enough, you are willing to go to any extent to achieve it, and that mere fact expands your creative paradigm. So once you've discovered the strength in your why, the worthy ideal, the goal worth fighting and dying for, the second trigger is to find the biggest obstacle that stands between you and that goal, the pressing problem. Because once you discover that problem, your mind, your body, your soul automatically starts finding creative solutions to overcome it. So, highlight that problem for yourself so that you can instigate your awareness, your consciousness to find solutions. And surely it will. So, the third trigger for creativity is focus. Because if you're focused, all your creative energies would be dedicated towards finding specific solutions to your specific goals. Otherwise, without focus, your mind will be wandering, your creative energies would be divided. So, to integrate your creative energies, you have to be more focused because that indicates to your mind, body, and soul what is most important to you. And once activated that way, you will definitely find creative solutions to all the obstacles that you are focused at. So, the intention of today's video was to take your attention towards certain triggers that enhance your creativity and give you some pointers towards becoming more creative. Because creativity is not something that you only use to become rich, successful, or achieving some goals. It is something that you use in everyday life to find solutions to everyday problems. The everyday problems these days are very complex. You can see your relationships, you can see your own lifestyle disorders. But with creativity, you propel yourself to look for better solutions. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you share it with someone who needs it. Do let me know if you need a specific program with me in terms of creativity, and I would be happy to oblige. Hope you all have a great day. Pranam.